It's me again. And when I first started with affiliate marketing or making money online, whatever you want to call it, my goal was just to make $1,000 a month. Now, I understand there's people out here that's making, twice, three times that per week. I just wanted to do it, per month. And, after getting there, it took a really long time to get there. And let me explain kind of why that was like that. And let's do it with a different kind of analogy, if you will. For example, maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't, but there's a joke even that goes with it that these guys are out fishing, right? And there's kids around there and they're, playing with a ball and that kind of stuff. And one of the kids hits the ball out in the water. So dad looks at the kid and he says, well, you're out of luck because I'm not going to be able to get out there and get it. Well, the other guy that's with him says, hey, not a problem. He goes out to the end of the kind of pier that they got there and just steps off the pier, walks right across the water. Yeah. Picks up the ball, walks back, gives it to the kid, and the kid takes off happy because he's got his ball back. Now the guy he's with is like freaking out. Like, really? How did you do that? He's like, well, you can't tell anybody. He's like, why? He's like, because the secret is I know where the rocks are at. Yeah. So in other words, the point I'm trying to make is there is a step-by-step procedure that you can follow with just about anything, including making money online. It's whether or not you know those steps as to how soon you can get to that goal. So, that being said, I do hope you found something good out of this and you'll hit a like, maybe a follow and a comment. And if you'd like to see what I'm doing, you can check out the link that's up here. And let's see if I can't show you some steps. You know what I mean? Enjoy and have an amazing day.